Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the area. Gloves and goggles prevent burns, and clearing furniture gives you working space. Fill the Wagner tank to the marked level. Distilled water reduces scale buildup, which is why you should avoid hard tap water when possible. Plug the unit in, set the steam control to 2 or 3 for most wallpapers, and wait for the ready light. Once done, test a 6-inch square corner to confirm steady steam delivery before moving on to full wall application. You now apply steam systematically. Hold the Wagner pad flush against the wallpaper for about 8 to 12 seconds per spot, overlapping each pass by roughly 1/2 the pad to ensure even saturation. If seams resist, score them lightly with a utility knife first so steam penetrates more effectively. As paper softens, work a wide scraper at a 30 to 45 degree angle. Make sure to support the softened paper with your other hand to guide removal and prevent tearing. You finish by turning the unit off and allowing it to cool before emptying the tank. Regular descaling with a diluted vinegar solution prevents mineral buildup and keeps steam consistent. Once wallpaper is removed, wipe residual paste with a damp sponge and follow with a mild detergent wash so new coverings adhere properly. If a section refuses to peel, reapply steam for a longer interval or score deeper in small areas, because trapped adhesive or multiple wallpaper layers often need extra penetration to release cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.